Preparation for a pick-up. Feet flat. In slow motion, turn up the ball with the foot. Where the heel is now, the ball will strike the floor with a clear tap sound as you drag the heel slightly back, kicking it up in the air. The heel kicks sharply back as if you're kicking a football up that is placed right behind where the heel is now. And again, so flat feet, turn up the ball, toes up in the air. As you drag the heel back, tapping the ball exactly where the heel is now. It's very hard to show you slowly because this is a fast, clear sound. So again, flat feet, turn up the toe. This is in the same movement, drag back, tapping exactly where that heel was, sharply lifting on the end. One more time, slow this way. Feet flat, turn up, drag, tap, and finish. So from this side, feet flat, slow motion, turn up, drag that heel back, tapping the ball. And the other foot, turn up, drag back, clear sound. And again with this foot, slow motion, up, pull, tap, finish. So, pick up, down. Can you see it's one movement? We don't lift and then begin. The turn up is part of the one movement. And obviously it finishes with the foot in the air. Again. Theory of a pick-up. Stand with feet slightly apart. Turn up the toe with one foot. Slap foot back, hitting the ground with ball and recovering heel. One beat, which means one sound. So, stand as we did, turn up, pull back, slap and replace. In one move, turn up, pull back, slap and replace. Pick up, pick up. Theory of pick-up step. A pick-up followed immediately by a step. It can be repeated on alternative feet. 2 beats, 2 sounds, because we're now adding step at the end. So an example of this, pick-up step, pick-up step, pick-up step, pick-up step, pick-up step, pick-up step, pick-up step. You can do it on the spot or progress.